For the foxy eyes, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I already have all my foundation and concealer and powder on, but now I'm gonna do the eyes and I'm gonna share it with you how I do my foxy eyes. Okay, so first I'm gonna go with this like very defined brush, and I'm going to get this very dark shade, the black. It's called Noir. I'm going to apply it. Oh my god, the mirror here is so dirty. Maybe this mirror is better. Yep, that's the Huda Beauty small palette, but I'm gonna use it for my mirror. So you're going to apply it right on your lash line. It's like it's coming out of your lashes, like very winged, but not defined like eyeliner. And this is how I like to do this. And I'm using the dark again, the black eyeshadow. From here I'm gonna take another brush and I am going to, I don't have anything on, I'm just going to wing it. Just like that. I might need a little bit more. Yeah, I need a little bit more. Does anyone else have the TikTok song on in their head and they can't get it out? Because I can't. And for the rest of my eyelid, I'm gonna go with this brunette orange, this color right here, and it's just gonna be like all over the lid. Like right there. This is where I applied it, and I'm gonna leave this area open because you're gonna see what I'm gonna do now. So basically I'm gonna highlight first right here. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna highlight. And I'm dragging it a little all over here, kind of. This is opal highlight in my inner corner. Now I'm gonna go with Marc Jacob eyeliner, and I'm going to apply it in my inner corner on top of the highlight. So kind of dragging it from the lash line and out. So just like that. And now I'm gonna apply the mascara. I'm gonna do the other eye. This is the trick I like to use to first of all get like a drier mascara, not very dry that it's not going to apply, and then after the dry mascara that you push up all the air so it's kind of holding the lashes, then you go with your liquid new mascara and then you go on top for a couple coats, and this is like a game changer for like a false lashes look. I put it on my TikTok as well, so go follow me there as well. I'm gonna put my link for my TikTok and Instagram in the description box below, so come say hi. I'm going to do some on my lower lashes. Now I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did the other eye, and now this is how it turned out. I will do my lips really quick with you. I'm gonna take the NYX lip pencil, and I'm gonna take off the lip oil. So good. Okay. This is like a trick I like to use when I just want to have like my lip pencil. I'm just gonna go with my finger because I had like a lip balm before, so that helps to blend it. But if you like a really defined line, don't do this. I just want it to be blended more. Okay, so yeah, that's complete this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this foxy eye look, and leave a comment below what you want to see next. Subscribe, enjoy the family, and like this video and all good stuff. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.